Rebecca Brand, and I have the Yaber K2s Projector. This projector is 4K, so if you're shooting against a wall in your bedroom, for instance, whatever you want to watch is going to be in full color, in high resolution. This is just against the wall that I had nothing on. It's an ivory wall, it's not even white. And this is what the picture clarity is. So whether that's your bedroom that you're watching or your living room for show night, or even outdoors, this is against the wall of my house. I set it up because I could have a family TV night, watching cartoons if I wanted to. What a great way to watch a show with your kids. The cartoons are brilliant. All those colors. Hey, and check out Looney Tunes. Looney Tunes are classically my favorite. The reds, the yellows, the greens, all colors of those cartoons pop out because of the stunning picture quality with the 1000 ANSI Lumens. Those 1000 ANSI Lumens deliver a picture image that can be up to 60 inches. And you're seeing this outside on my wall. Hey, there are stars up in the sky, so it's not 100% dark. But in any case, that bright image is vibrant with that 1000 ANSI Lumens feature. In this dark room, in the bedroom, it's pitch black. And here again is that picture quality. And that image is over 60 inches. The Yaber K2s Projector, the total display resolution is 1920 by 1080. And with that 1000 ANSI Lumens brightness, it's displaying every detail. Check out this football game. We see how bright green the grass is. We see the players' uniforms. We see such detail in those scenes. All of that is happening with a combination of the 4K and that 1080 pixel display resolution. So you're getting incredible brightness and contrast and color. You might feel you're right there at that football game. Or how about in the desert? Check out Dune. You feel like you're right there within the scene. And with a picture as large as that placed on a wall, the intensity brings your room right into that desolate scene. And you might like to do a lot of gaming in your family. What fun it is to have a projector in a room against a wall where you have a big game playing. Get them off those computer screens and put it on the wall. Much better for the eyesight and much more lively for the fun. I've had my sound on low. Now listen to this game. This sound is straight out of the projector. It's got built-in dual 10-watt JBL stereo speakers, and that's coupled with a Dolby Audio support. So your sound is like you're really there. You're in the crowd cheering for your team. Touchdown! Go team! That's an amazing feature. You don't need to have extra speakers hooked up to your projector. And this Yaber K2s can stream with all the apps. Check this out. It is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector with over 7,000 apps. Within it, you can pick your favorites, whether it's Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu. It's endless what is in this Android TV Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector. It's super easy to connect to any of your subscriptions for streaming. And all of that is built right in. There's nothing for you to do except log in. And something really cool and advanced is it has an NFC connection. And with a tap, you can connect anything you happen to have that you want to project on the screen. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. And that means, let's say I had a video of the family on my phone and I wanted to show my family, I can just press that and on top of the projector. And I get to watch my own video content privately. I teach an art class and I love to watch these scenes in my art class with my friends in the art class. This was just video off my phone. So you can watch your original content with your friends and family privately. And using the Yaber KS2 is so simple, it autofocuses. The screen goes black and then it calibrates itself. You don't have to fiddle with any lens, any turning of lenses. Check this out, it's doing it all on its own. That's how smart it is. And of course it comes with its own remote. You can do all of these functions from the comfort of hanging out wherever that is in the room where you're watching your shows. And the remote is designed super easy to use, and it comes preloaded with buttons for Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and Prime Video, which really makes things easy. Oh, and you can also use Alexa to work it. You can pair Alexa for hands-free use of your Yaber K2s projector. That's great. And personally, I kind of like to watch my own favorites, like this show. It's called The Merry Gentleman. It just came out this year, and check out the colors and the fun on this. This is my speed. What a fun show this was for me to watch with my friends. In addition to the remote control that you can use to operate it, it also has an app. You just download the app, and it's like any other app. You open the app, and with that screen that says Alexa, it lets you know you can use Alexa for the voice control, and it will walk you through the Discover Alexa part of that app for the voice control. And so after you've downloaded the app, you set up the projector. It comes up with a hello screen as you're using it to project. You choose your language. They have many to choose from. And this is just projected on a wall. You can see on the left my outlet for my electricity. Isn't that funny? And the next thing you'll do is to learn to focus and correct the image. And it teaches you how to do that. And through the app, you can screen mirror. So what is on my phone on the right will show up in the image that's projected onto the wall. Here I am going through some of the videos on my channel, and it's mirroring exactly what's on my screen. It has so many features. When you first order your Yaber projector, it comes right to your door. I took it out of the cardboard box, and I put the box on top of my counter. This is the front of the box, right there, saying Yaber Smart Projector K2s, which is the model number. It talks about some of the features right on the box, like the Dolby Audio sound. Here are all sides of the box. There's scan codes so you can follow them on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram. And here's the back of the box that tells you the specifications and what's included inside the box. And it has great scenes of how you might use your Yaber projector. And on the other side of the box, it has some of the features. The box is well designed. It would make a great present. I open the box, and here are all of the layers of how it comes packaged. Now that's important, so nothing will get damaged during shipping. They designed the package very well. On my counter, I laid out the accessories. This is the hookups. That's the brand kit. And in that are some tools to clean the lens and a little mini screwdriver in case you need to get inside the unit. Here's the electrical cord, all wrapped up. And here is the projector, well wrapped so nothing would get damaged. It wouldn't scratch as it was being shipped to you. And here is everything with this packaging laid out on my counter. I took everything out of the wrapping and laid it down on my mats. This is all you get inside your Yaber Projector K2s box. And within all of those instructions are details of how to even mount it on your ceiling if you wish to do that, to have a permanent mount. All you need is included in this kit for that as well. Here's the projector itself. This is the top of the projector. The controls are on the bottom for manual controlling. Here's a close-up of those controls. Here are the buttons on the top. The first is the tap for the NFC. The second, with the musical notes, is for the speaker mode. That's for Bluetooth speakers. You can hook up another speaker for surround sound. The next is a quiet mode, and then the long bar is for the volume up or volume down, and then the orange dot button, that's for power. And on the side of it is where you hook everything up to it. The circle on the left is for the IR window. Then we have the HDMI port, then the USB-A port, then the USB-C port, then a headphone jack, and last we have an AV port. And this is a shot of the back of it so you can see the air comes in through the fan in the back to keep the motor cool. And as you use it, it takes in air to keep it cool inside. And there's even an air filter in there that you can take out and clean or replace so it doesn't get clogged up with dirt and dust. And the bottom left is where you're going to insert your power cord. It is a 2-opening power cord. You press it right in, snap it in, and then it's a 2-prong 120-volt connection for any North American power outlet. Here are the other electrical accessories you get. The yellow, white, and red is the AV connections. You get that cable, and on the right is the HDMI cable. Those come with it. The HDMI has 2 HDMI connections, one on each end. And here is the front of your projector with the lens cap on. Here's the side of it. It has a canvas material, and here's the other side of it with another air vent. The material is a high quality canvas. Fun together, enjoy together. I like that. That's a great logo. And it has a kickstand to pull out, so it changes the level because sometimes it could be on a table lower than the surface you want to project it at. The kickstand has a maximum degree angle to point it up a full 60%. That really helps you adjust the angle. Here's the front of it with the sensors, and here is it with the lens cap off. Here's a close-up of that lens. That lens is so powerful. That's what's giving you the 1920 x 1080 pixel native resolution. And with all those lumens, that's what's projecting you the beautiful images you see. So anywhere you want to see your favorite shows, whether it's in any room of your home, against a wall, watching sports like football, mystic movies, or playing video games, or for an outdoor party, setting it up wherever, and in my case, against a stucco boring wall, my outdoors has come alive, watching my merry gentlemen or the kids, watching their Looney Tunes favorites, or Frozen for a holiday Disney movie. This Yaber K2s projector is the best. Click the link to get your Yaber K2s projector for all the fun you want to have at home with your family and friends this holiday season and beyond. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And tonight the recipe is movie night. It's time for me to go plan my next movie with my Yaber K2s. Invite my friends over. If you like this video, here's some over there, including great recipes for movie night. Just click.